Hello guys, let me remove my earring. So I'm doing a skincare Garnier I'm using to take off my makeup, place it on my eyes just to wet the lashes. Then take them off gently, place them up on there, the boss. Then I will start with my eyes. Press glitter I have on my eyelid, so just gently remove it, gently. Otherwise, if you go inside your eyes, it's not good. Just focus on my eyes, my both eyes for now. Then my lip. Get rid of the lippy I had on. Then my skin. Just make sure I wipe every makeup I have on. So this face wash, L'Oreal, is oil-free face wash. I will just rub that all over my skin. Obviously, wet my hands. Just like rub and rub and rub, nothing else. I will do my neck as well, around my neck. All the makeup I have on, they all need to be gone. We don't compromise when it comes to skincare routine. This is my first time. I've not done a skincare routine on my channel. So my neck as well, because sometimes I do apply foundation on my neck. Then I just wash it out clean. This is tuna, face tuna from Aldi Lacura. I will use this. Is so good. I think it's a dupe from Pixie, I think. So I don't know how many bottles of this I have used in the past. It's so good. This is my night cream, Lancôme face cream. There is a day and night cream. This is for night. I will just rub all over my skin. I only use this cream once a day, only when I'm going to bed. Then the other one is for morning. The Nip and Fab. This is serum. I will just apply this on top of it to keep that nice night cream. Keep it there. Then I'll move on to again Lancôme serum. I will just that one pump or squash. That's all I need for my whole face. I will just apply it all over my whole face. The stuff is too expensive. We can't waste it. We can't do those what they do on Instagram. Let it drip and drip. We don't do drip. They are expensive stuff, so we have to use it carefully. Don't just press it. Press around my neck as well. Yes, my skin is so happy right now. There we go. Eye cream. This eye cream is also Lancôme. The eye cream, I'll just take it tiny little bit. In fact, this is too much, to be honest. I don't need the other. It's like I'm wasting it now. So I'll just apply it under my eye. That's it. Take it tiny little bit. Put it on top as well. Just apply it just right there. Then on my eyelid. I will do exactly the same on the other eye. Eye cream. If you have not been using eye cream, you need to start using eye cream, guys. I am 40 in a week from now or so. Just more than a week from now, I will be 40. You see my eyes. There is no wrinkle. There is no dark circle. You know, I just want to say I'm blessed when it comes to my eye. eyes. Okay, I'll just do, you see this color motion I was doing before, just let everything sink in. This is just a lip gloss. I'll let use it at night as well from Accessorize. That's it, guys. My skincare routine, first time on a camera. I'm going to bed. Good night, guys, wherever you are. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.